Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project on the Edit page. Select the clip you want a color grade in the timeline. Press Shift+6 to jump directly to the color page. Confirm the clip is active in the viewer and the node graph is visible. Create one serial node by pressing Alt+S for your primary correction. Label the node if you want by right-clicking and choosing a name. This prepares the clip for targeted color changes and node-based adjustments. Start with lift, gamma, gain, and offset to balance exposure and contrast. Move each slider slowly and watch the waveform for consistent luminance. Use the color wheels for coarse shifts and the log controls for refined contrast. Switch to the Curves tab to adjust hue versus hue or hue versus sat curves for targeted color shifts. Add a node and create a power window to isolate a local area for correction. If the subject moves, use the tracker to follow motion automatically. Save a still to the gallery as a reference for matching other clips. Use the gallery stills and apply grade to copy color to one or many clips. Compare clips using split screen or the comparison viewer for consistent matching across cuts. Fine-tune saturation and vibrance to keep skin tones natural and avoid oversaturation. When satisfied, switch to the Deliver page and choose a preset like YouTube 16, 9H, 264 at 1080p.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.